Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Revolut. Revolut is a fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including banking, investing, and cryptocurrency trading. But is Revolut a real bank? And if so, what does that mean for you? Before I answer that question, let's take a look at what makes a bank. In most countries, a bank is a financial institution that is licensed by the government to accept deposits, make loans, and provide other financial services. Banks are also required to hold a certain amount of capital to protect depositors in case the bank fails. So, is Revolut a bank? The answer is yes and no. Revolut is not a traditional bank in the sense that it is not licensed by a government banking authority. However, Revolut does offer many of the same services as a traditional bank, such as checking accounts, savings accounts, and debit cards. Revolut is licensed as an electronic money institution, EMI, in the European Union. This means that Revolut is authorized to issue electronic money, which can be used to make payments and withdrawals. Revolut is also a member of the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, in the UK, which is the UK's financial regulator. So, what does this mean for you? If you are a Revolut customer, you can be confident that your money is safe. Revolut is a regulated financial institution, and it is required to hold a certain amount of capital to protect depositors. In addition to being safe, Revolut is also a convenient and affordable way to manage your money. Revolut offers a variety of features that make it easy to track your spending, save money, and invest. So, is Revolut a real bank? Yes, in the sense that it offers many of the same services as a traditional bank. However, Revolut is not a traditional bank in the sense that it is not licensed by a government banking authority. If you are looking for a safe, convenient, and affordable way to manage your money, Revolut is a great option. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Revolut, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance.